welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing J-Hope's Jack in the Box Hope Edition for my 3-year Army anniversary. If you can hear stuff in the back, everyone is doing something currently right now. This is the only time I can film. I will try to do like noise canceling in this video, but I really wanted to film this video right now before I get too impatient and have to open it. So I have to film it like right when I get the item because I'm crazy. So we have Jack in the Box. I already opened this on my TikTok, Target exclusive one. So you can go watch that for a more exciting unboxing because someone said that I didn't seem excited to open up Face, but it's because I already opened the albums, so I wasn't like as surprised. Anyways, nonetheless, I'm doing this for my 3-year Army anniversary, which was August 21st. So first we're gonna start with the pre-order benefits. This is it. I believe it's a magnet. I don't know what these look like. No one has posted them anywhere, but I stuck it on the photo card. But this is it. It's so cute. I wish I had like a fridge to put this on, but I don't. That's like magnetic. My fridge is not magnetic, but cute. Okay. This is the pop, I believe. Yeah. So cute. I believe there's like 1 out of 2 and it's random. I could be wrong. PVC card. It is clear. It looks so cute. And then it comes with this. I think this is like to go behind it. I don't know. It could. Is that for like a 3D effect? Who knows? These are so cute. I'm just missing 2 photo cards from this. The box. It's like a velvety material, which I actually love. And it's a little dented up here, which is annoying, but the little book. I love these photos. These ones are so cute. Yeah, these ones are so cute. I have the photo card of this one, I believe. Perfect. Okay, I got the pink one. I'm pretty sure I got the blue one before. Yeah, I did get the blue. So now I have both. Yay. I got the same CD. I think there was like a blue one as well. So I got the pink again. Poster. I love this poster. It's so cute. And then we have 2 stickers. And these are the instructions to build the little thing. No, I lied. This is the lyrics. Too much is going on right now. Photo card time. I already spoiled one of the photo cards for me. This one is so cute. This is one of the ones that I needed. So I'm happy to have this. Then we have the reverse money. I love this card. I have this one already. The thing is, I don't know what the other one looks like. I've never seen it, like people unboxing. So yeah, but this one is still so cute. This album was so cute, and I love the photo cards. I love Hobie. I miss him, and I hope he is proud about this album, and I hope he knows that we miss him. And yeah, happy 3 years to me. This is a nice 3-year present. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.